So this was a great addition that we released. We've got a lot of people putting in that third lane that they want as a VIP lane. So this is our VIP lane right here. It's a shrunk down, more cost-effective pay station. Doesn't distribute barcodes, have receipts, take cash. It's mainly for your VIPs, your memberships, so they can pull through, quickly get processed. And if there's a reason that they need to update their credit card, they can do all of that here. They can upgrade their wash. So it just really separates them out. Same great features as the pay station. It still has a security door, all the custom paint, the custom decals, custom screens. So it really gives a great VIP experience to your members.